Chia me ma wache mchiao na wo ho atise Adom ni mobruhunu afi agyanyankopon enchen enkan anopai woro fie nyina radio hwe so na oboye ho ban Adom ni na hode ye kese ewo yen so no ono ana se ka oni afa osefo no ebenya ye ede ye ahanam amanisi onso ono ne yade nyina Filmeri santin ni na santin nyankopon Bible say ono ye na santin ene mere santin ono yade ho ato no so ono yade nyina ono na ohwe ndi free ene ye fiba so Ebria coronavirus and COVID-19 abewiase afa na nyina adwum aduonu enan se asase no ye wurade dia ene emu ade dodo nyina he's the owner dia busia say ene dia wa wo mu so wo ye dia to wo hwe ma corona enyu mfiti ho obo ho ban no aka ho no wadom. And we are still surging on. You Jiffon in your Boffono, what yes. Michiao, our Holland, Michiao, our Germany, Michiao, our South Africa, US, Croydon, Birmingham, Finland, Luton, Coventry. Michiao Adom 106.3. Adom Ahengua nanim. Jumadi na no pay ya de bro. Bishop Yawusu and Sir Jumadi so. Ena uti omodi anamo afidie na ha abusia mo on Facebook Adom 106.3 for comment no suggestions fabra ini ho abobo na de wo hwe na wo tie no ene obi so enche Adom ahoden Elidi kropon no edia There was no pay ye kro no pay ye tuntuma no pay ye show de en wonyama no pay Una ni die nyina ye odia na hye nyina ye odia ayeye nyina ye odia obie ni wa otese wo sisi obi tse wa ma no kan fansi wanim Ja ho share rade nyankopon sa odi free ne ofiba na dua fa share rade nyankopon sa ye kwa ye ba nyina ye nim yourself on susu ahye odi atoho ene dua ye nim enso ye se ye de ho to rade nyankopon so na hwe no a ono de obetua na ma sie ma yourself on adwuma nyina ye kwa Bible say obeyi ade afie nsuo de aduane mu ti ade biara de nanenam esumu ensaya de Erade mo ho ban enfiri mu ba cho fa ho kwa erade ani the erade nyankopon wa mo ade pa chi biem Fabusian share Radin Yanko Ponsa, for my share Radin Yanko Ponsa, for my penny share Radisa. Na pamfo nyina fom hye Awurade Nyankopon sa amanyoku ahudwa wo man mu nyina fom hye Awurade Nyankopon sa shira ro Awurade ahode ne Bible ne fie nkomfa yemra tutu ya na mosi ye ba mo godi Awurade ma no mpare ye ahode nye chefa yitu a Awurade Nyankopon pa si ba bi papa maye ja musia nyina ja hemfu nyina ja ma wo Ghana ha nyina mema mofra yeshira Awurade Nyankopon die ni mu kan hwe yenso bra praise ye be kusku ye kusku Awurade yensusu ye ne ye kasa die ni mu kan no pay Yet you for national, area home shows, area credit padia shows, yes, share with Yesu Christo Dimo. For your home buying, you feel yourself on a general training. Man could be dear and yet dear. Tianamosi, boy, the Jeffo. Man could be dear, dear. My cell phone and sa and yene. If you give you soon and a journal, so I the body in a hurt it. I'm gonna be our 2 dear by a crack. Nara Jisha kwenye bi dia maya Nanka kwemu a enye adwuma na fidie ne mubu ye de ye ne ye ho Jesus Christ demon ye bompaye ka amen. And the Lord was with Joseph, and he was a prosperous man. And he was in the house of his master, the Egyptians. And his master saw that the Lord was with him, and that the Lord had made all that he did to prosper in his hand. Na Awurade di Joseph echi. Na oye berima a ne ho wo sade. Na otena ni wura Misraim no efie na ni wura ehunu se Awurade di nachi na Awurade mmade oye nyina yeyi na basa eso no abishia anopa bi chia obi Bible say na Joseph a wodukra wo ya koa kotena obi fie ne nti na fie ho no de omu yi nyina eyi anopei yebe kari asiwanim Awurade ama ade achi abusia wakopia adwuma mu ho na ukọ hoyi ukogu no sabe wanya gina bia gina se MP na ukọ hoyi adwuma no koso na wo se no judge ukopia adwuma mu ho adwuma ade che won sa no konkan ana say essay lawyer na nurse adwuma ukopie ho no awade a ukobu no o say no ababa wa no na brabo won na chise kama o wadi wona wo say no ana oba no na wo say no ba ma wona wo say no ana Bible say na Joseph ku fie ho no no ninti na bibia yi e fie ho abishia menim wodie ugbogura adwuma mu ho eniama asai wo ho eniama to achewache wo ho eniama ye basa wo ho sa okotena mpatam ho no kwa ma hono mu aye basa ntoka na aba ho okotena fie ba bia wo han no e hot sei sofo edi aso no hye wonsa koso ana wugu no koso ana wugu no Abusia ena me disi wani mo Joseph akwa kofi ho na bibia ye yi ti wo de usade mu ana wo se no ato din basa shiade mo ko shiase en wase no obaye si oyi Yarisha Onsano Esia Nasa a concan. Bisa Hufa. Oh, Chirachira for her Quadano soon at to say. Maybe about Krasubia. Wadi o chire no wonti ase sabe obeye soja ni koye posini adwuma no ayede hye wonsa posini pani soja ni pani adwuma ayede hye wonsa no wo ye ne sei wo sei no na ye ni yi ya no fo engineer ade adwuma ne hye wonsa no ati sei Bible said na Joseph kwatena fie hono nti bibia wo fie ho bia e konkan Bible said if we say na wurade ka ne ho na ne nam ha na ne to anamo ha de why dey na di wachiri no and Job kind Job 22:21 acquaint now thyself with the Lord and you shall be at peace. They say it was far who would at it. Now who and told. I was here. The Bible said you would who said Joseph Beth ye a dear bia a ye or say free said na a urade a cane home and a permit is swimming. Busia ukotena baabi a na ukobro no baabi so a ananse ukwadwuma baabi mu a ananse ukura ugina bro no bi so ana we post ni asoje ni akyerkyere ni panimu a wo hwesuku so ane a hospital ukoye aniama akosen Joseph kotena papa ni fie Bible say wonunti wonti na aniama say no abusia fa adwen wo ho Abusia adwuma enne anopa adwuma die a die wona aso yesiame ya de ebra wo Patos AIB wo mo ena de edra sanitizer and disinfectant we are locally made this natural disinfectant and sanitizer ebetumi aboa ofie ene wan kasa every year COVID-19 ye penny amade a sanitizer and say when here center natural organic eni sunsan so bia eni sunsan so bia e ba ku ye fa hwena no anas woni subiriwi enye no bia sebi atinka boni bia nso eni ho na oba kurum hanom a adwumaku a ye from FDA4 magia tum prekope eti abusia obetumi ayiso ko market ye betumi dey spray honomo fie offices more baby a wo se mo bon bia be ho bia betumi dey spray ho yom nyina afri ho ya hune die kase dey abrawo open do sopo na open do no a kire go filling station bia one more binyebi center Patos AIB omona mo sa edreya badwaman so and one so be free 054 341 0136 and I say 0244 409092 Baby, I want to be right, and I page my dear baby. I will be on the child. I Isaiah chapter 1 verse 18. Simumra ma yenwine bra ma yenwine. Bra ma yenwine. Obone zeku jan kura no a. Behuru mana ifita. Ano pay nyamin kwa na Rev Ofori-Atta mene prophetess Sasu ene wa on say na watwi fiti dwada no ye maame ya wo ye kyerkyerefo pani ba ko ya wono dean of students of Garden City University Mama Krista Osemensa Oni ye kasa papa every year COVID-19 ene ehon susanso kwada wo fie mai wo fie awofo asede e ma asede aka bebrebe ene yi ese tiesi ene die tie bia obesa tiesi na wakasaka kra na prophetess so abem na me di manu abefa ho aye maame asa ato aso ma ba jo me wachi
we ja so
Rev Ofori-Atta na me ho ye pa na so ho ye de
na me Adom
abusiafo
ho ye pia ho
ye pa ho
that's right
ari achi bia ma am say yenro afiti dwada no nyankopon na mo so kasa kire yen e ma yesua ne ma bebrebe abri we sei kwan a wo se fa so awofo emma ye dan ye ho adi ebra sisei 24/7 si etifie ni na adwuma wo mu ya ni didie na so mu sua dio me se wo mu sua dio
no so ya asem kete
na ma we de enra wona ye kasai ene adefo tio mama ayi wa ha odifo ba e wa ha sei ye kwa no no so de bi wura mu na ye kɔ yanim pacho adefo tio ha ya Adom 106.3 Adom Ahengua nim dwumadie
asofo fiata medase uche tiefo nyina nso
tiefo Joseph papa
sani ye gusu a ye kekana wo ka bibi na eye medel papa wo se wo mu sua dio to wo mu sua dio emre we no eye mre bi a emofra no ese so mu sua dio nanso wasem bisa se wo mu sua dio anase wo mu sua dio as a parent no obeden who say wo sua dio anase wo sua dio
papa
abofra ni bie buku mu a enkyere se wo sua dio akoda no o kan ni tisi buku mu a enkyere se ade no kura ebi a wo kan anase eriko ni tiri esse emofra no accept homo responsibility to do what they need to do. Yeah, enrano, yeah, katano, obi, chema jene, esi so say, me kwa juma, internet yukrano, me yada check say, abofrano, ya na say, wonye. Asem sebe.
Asem sebe.
Na debia me catch ran kwada ne say, Mintimi mehwese na wo page 1 na wabie ko page 2 wo kan mehwe kura ne se wo page 2 a edie na ekire se
wasua
wo kan ade no wasua na nye se wo bie mu kwa ebra so se enkoda na nkata so no ebe accept responsibility in this challenging time parents ye dum betumi aye biara ede niema agugu akwan mu sede ebe ya wo abofra no ubedi yi but akwanya kese no ejina wankasa wo so so wankasa ansore anya responsible based on niema ye de agugu akwan ma mawo na wo misuse na ebe ha wankasa. Bible can say in Proverbs chapter 1, 18, it says, my child, listen when your father corrects you. Don't neglect your mother's instruction. What you learn from them will crown you with grace and be a chain of honor around your neck. Proverbs 1, 8 to 9. It will be a chain of honor around your neck. You better not provide bibia ma abofra. But it's the abofra no enhu here say obey responsible for a niema esese wo ya. Ye be no kwa. Ya keke bia say ejanom esese ye ye nanom esese ye. But eneme wa ha say me shame of running crime. Say a woman say edin there.
Man, okay, Mamma kind of chino, Mamma kind of chino.
Let her show you.
And Mamma kind of Kafra 7 Charles, Mamma kind of was a meba. Tiawaja a quanchre. Na empo wuna and chere. Wakanitia. Tiwaja quanchre. Na empo wuna and chere. Na eyawo wutri anyone abotri and will come and chiabain. But I come to
Enti eliema yedi gu akwam wo yie yonti. Enti take responsibility na ma yentumi emfa ye ho ento so ye honest. As you take responsibility as a child, no, be honest with yourself. Say one king kan ya awofo ni bisaka say daddy mommy me pacho ni ntimi nsua de buku na da manim kwa esan say yenyina ebi ye wutimi bie buku mu say wo kan na wadwene akosi baby esu buku do bi ehu say da wanim enti emre we ye mra esese abofa wo ye responsible, very responsible necessary because ye ja wo na akọ ye gidi de bia make say obi ajiwudi na wodi opeja wusi baby a esese wo nso so wudi eduo eni di ma sa nipa so na baby na nipa na peja wusi wo nso so wo ye sa pepepe wa wofo adi awofo adi wadi internet ya ma odi wadi wa kyerɛkyerɛw say emere so a you say esese wo ye responsible for that. Obi antimi take that responsibility no emma. Obi antimi no maduro emma yarefo. This a yarefo na nkata eno maduro. Enti semu wo fie akomofra no mestramo. Ta hide and seek agrodie no. Ta me pretende ayade esoso na enye no na mejem. Itumufo ene anokai say Sister Wakwan, esan say, dear mammy, any ja ayem, ebeyen, omo bom homodin biara, say omo beje. Dear one so be yes, abofan, so so be bom homodin biara. Say one so your partner, which is learning. Obey. One so bom homodin, and yet easy. It is just not easy. Men can say easy.
Enough from sir.
Enough from say over study and then you want for book. Me say who ko internet no so kola kushia dia. Bibi be pemo so ku social media kakra. Enye easy. Men na na men can just say easy. It is not easy. But nelso this a one kasa broni be unya a sense of responsibility. And you have to learn to be responsible for your actions. And when there was a wofon, ye chere ye mano. And chere no, there be other ye fish a mano. Chere na on one kasa any fish. Let's teach them how to be responsible. Baby, I woke up so and I was here, and I was saying, and my abofra are responsible and managing a hot toast all the time. But fanatics, natural at the frontier, a sister where you're responsible. When you're able to do that to the child, abofra ebefa sa astamno atona kumemu na why you're responsible. Samria you will be a bookman to the ocean, but my name who say the mirror so a mirror so be shiadi, ultimate shiadia, a mere bookman nada, and it will be our woman chain. Now will be a woman chain who says, Sabrina, I yet dear mouse over Kayadi, Nemuabi or wah, yet dear boy. Oh, you're very necessary. And as a child, as you are building the sense of responsibility, there was so with me honest. The name is now we are trustworthy or so.
Also to be honest and trustworthy.
Because as parents, Yanino ain't me ko baby.
Do you know cre aquada?
And Ra, Madame could be the time sister, say me ko adwuma o. Na ye den Ashemechi say, Omo yen yes, omo ye. And I'm Mr. Sister. Say it, shrew, my Bible said, stretcher, abofra, a quine, I won't fasso.
Quine, I won't fasso.
Now, we need home. Right from infancy, you move the intimate shray a man's sense of responsibility. You whom as helpless. Into ye be piama womo. Yen chiro quine, omo befasso, I won't be ye BP. But a miracle say a children na almost take responsibility. Enti adiano se me kanya me ame dia to se me kan me hia ma wo for say ye de ababi be gina me so ama makanya tie na se wa wo fu ni wa wo be ye den akan. Have you asked yourself that question as a child? Enti se obi ni wa wo be ye den. We need to teach them. We need to train them. We need to nurture them to be responsible. Also taking responsibility. Me were JSHS 3. Me ya wasi student a mebe present. E womu se ye nyang freme. E womu se me nimu wasi timetable ne die. Nenso e ye masadie. Because you want to go to the university. We want to go to the tertiary institution. We parents Mount Aquanya for the tertiary institution. But you have to be responsible of your learning. Very necessary. Ain't you know, would you agro kakra? Now what I say, we are wasi candidate. Would you agro kakra? Now what I say, we are BC candidate. Would you agro kakra? Now what I say, we are university candidate. Would you agro kakra? Now what I say, asono. Asudie bi dawso asudia edawso ne sen esese
kai say asudie bi dawso. All right ma gina so e ba studio ha ma me ba ko esa yo D4 ba sabra me kase ne ma bi ofie asore ma ne ina so abegu fie ye frɛ no da afutuo ne akwankyere ene kasa kyerɛ so de ma wo Bible say empo o ma me ene o papa nkyerɛ ne ntwiaban ene animunyam abotire ende ma me tu omufo enkwada ne parent sabre ya COVID-19
so for me that say ne metimi aka ne se eyen kwala anyame de no ede o mamma yen ya akyede nti esese yesu ye na batan na experience no yesu ye akyede man kwala no
ya akyede man kwala
akyede man o se oba fa ne sa adamfo also forward back to Sadamfo. Woni ne din komo. Woni akola ne din komo a ade bi secret bia utumi ka che. Ba unhunhuna no a bibi ni ontumi enye den enka. E na woni akola no also ma ne hu we se woda ache ne me bua wo. Ti bua me na mentimi mmua wo. Ma wudu woda ache ho. E bia kwasi ba bia me madu no mmua wo. Me be se wo trese.
Wo tra ba bia me madu.
Was baby, I do you know. emu samre emra ye wo mu enti se wo mu ko wanim enti bua me na me so me mu na ko wanim enya atiate a mane hu se wo bua no me fo se wo yesa etumi bua kola na pa
ma me kan se me wo se mo a sense of responsibility wo mu hu sa de we se e wo se me ye nya se bia me ma me wo ho eno de na wo se ka kire nkwada yi
na me kan se na me ka se ye ya boafo ema yemma to se yemma so omma ho kwan me ye boa omo wo dachi adua na akwasi we say fa we na ye ema wo dachi e bi kura me atam me ka tell man say me ntra house da
yeah
ebedum rebe me ni ho na ya ma bibi o foundation bi a wo so dachi we den wo be gina so de abo obra enti ye boa wasede ne se eso usu ade wo de se o fie ye ne yekoba ye mu aduane ye bibia wo so wo de ne se o so usu ade nti se usu ade ma wo ankasa wo dachi na wa mre me afutu a aya atams me de mom
okay odifo ba edasema
papa
na ye maame aka no o se ye asede se ye bobo modin ase ye hwawu ye ma bibi ba wo so asede ne se kofa buku no ase wote ho na de buku na kato anim ase wote na ni a wo kan so won kan hwe mo ye busy ekoba so sua de so no sua hwe
eso wonye hwe
ma to aso me
eso wonye hwe you see emre we emra ese se we show concern you see about yourself and your parents the said they know the for better ye de nyame de wa mayen say ye na boawo enti emwa bia ye de boawo obi wo kwa sabe de wa wofuo be di kura na eden eso wo manie wo mo nsem hwe suku edie na se so de hwe wo mani mo nyam se abofra se wusua de se we are responsible. The reason why need responsibility in kwa and say your money bebre no they are not responsible. Pay responsibility. So what can you understand? They confuse the war channel. Say your chief ye nyam say ye best bro. Mekai ye call UCC. Na aluta bi ba ye 9 months. Na ye be trezan. And you see a maintenance ye de ye be fresh and ye di 9 months. Ye nyina ye ko school na ye ka say. Oh ye ko ye lecture. Ye ko ye revision when we can ye stand the exams no. Yes yenye. Eso ni atifie ni enimu time a ye be frɛ. Enti wudi agoro kakra. Ni wasua de kakra. Da bia me ka kyerɛ nkwada sɛ agoro de wo hoda. Ememasam wo hoda. Emasam wo hoda. Wo dache very important because wo bedi a wo do ho abono, be me bia de no ho abono. Adamfo bi a wo de no ho abono. So wo konna nimu chen wa wo begya wo ho. Obeka kyerɛ wo sɛ wo nyɛ ne class. Obeko egyaw. Enti e wo sɛ wo yɛ responsible. Amofra ne stremo. E wo Yesu Kristo dinimu. Yes, we are all frustrated. We are all confused with regards to COVID-19. Yenim say ye ko yenim. Say ye be fraying and no one speculation we have. Ye be ko June. Ye be ko say. Ye be ko say. Nini na mu no. Baby jina pendia a wo wono. Say ye fraying a. Asadia e ka ho sese wo ye no. E wo be sa wo ye. Enti wo fie fabre kakra. Kai book. En kai fan na da ma me ne papa. En kai fan na da wu nuanu ma aka. Na ye nka say sister. Ekuya ya kwabna we kan ade o nenso anso hweba wanya ade en na da wo ho di no kura ma wo ho te ade no wuntini nsia ka say papa you say edam manimu kura na ma yo confused. It's better be honest me say me nsia de because ebi ana wo school no na wo ne nkrofo bi ne suade enti se wutimi tem kan afei awofo ne behunu ekwan a ye befa so aboawo but it's a work pretend Emma Eddie who said that the other day who will book the internet used to there's a war search for Nema, you bet terminal yet. You don't say book that when in maybe our page 2, walk page 5. Yet, dear, yet you would be empty your GD step, you snaggy.
Well,
another
maybe I drew every intina. Also, this year, no China trousseau, and another now from page to page. I answer a horn what can I do, and so now on Hey. I'm sure on so soft. One can hop papa.
Amen.
Zemni be a walk can me who's my yebida. Who's my yebida? I'm sure now. I may add watch now. You have a trussel. It's your vision for you now.
Stop from Pacho me that's
all right, I was here. Emma me Krista or say mention out in Kano. Garden City University or your Dean of Student watch there and penning for any survey and mebunu adie. And send me say we here the Amauban once I be woofing. Ya Wujan who I wouldn't so adie. Masa Swaha and something no. With the Bay Empire, a boy and Panotrisum Pie, Abba for Trisum Pie. Challenges be awofo ene nkwada komu ma etio
ora ye da wase anopa nso wannam ye maami so abekire yen kanan ne yennim ene ma watwen yadwen esiso oboafo no wasafa urade wona wo manyansa me de hwenkola urade yesre ye pagya maamifo nyina aba wanim obi kura sa amre wode ne baja hokura akokoto ade urade mesraw ma yehu senkolai omo ya chede a wode o ma cheyen ti me mpai bone se urade ma ye osuru nyansa ebetimi de atete nkolai ma omo da chi awie peye na urade wa mi sankolai afobuo wo ye nchen afirade me bompa ejan nkolai nyina ba wanim samre ya soden kola ba urade yesre manya kuma ebetimi de ayeden atentene nkwalai konkon wa wona we ye buafo obuafo papa be bua ye mai ewade betentene won nyamesuro enwura ye ban mu ewade se nyamesu na nyamesuro wura nkwalai mu a se ye kasa o metie onyame konkon obuafo papa be bua ye na urade me do omo hye wonsa omo da chi ya mpa bonse mo da chi ho obatan bia pese ne ba enye baabi si urade yesraw se ni nyina be wie peya je se wo yesra se bua yen mo wie peye na ye kuma nto ye yam na ye de anyonyam sha ma odin ye da wasese mo ye din kunim na ye sin kunim difo wanyame agya oba honhonkonko din mu na ye bɔ mpae amen
amen ora da bushia hotel nsɛm ni nyina nsɛm a betumi aboa wo nhyerɛw for sie ayoyo yɛbra so na de dwumadi yɛsi ana Nimagu a muta ye chiri ema ye de anopai Adom Ahengua na dwumadie ebra wo Patos AIB ya omo ye center wo hia disinfectant na sanitizer ema ufie ana wankasa baby to say banks schools hostels and studios more and auditoriums offices ebetumi aboa papa we natural organic wo pebi a bomode ya so obekọ Guelph stations nyina wo benya bi wo ho sa adre a friend center FDA4 agiatum papa abacho sa wo peni dosopo ana sa wo pe bia wo benya bi na bia wo frɛ na wo susu wotumi akotu aton a 054 341 0136 054 341 0136 and 0244 409092 0244 409092. Ndi abusia bomodia Facebook fo nyina so na yawo mata note adu jamfiama Pablo Munyina Nyamishram Papa. Say Muba joining here for this service. A happy birthday to Mrs. Grace Ansa Asare. Ifri wa wobao Sami Ansa Asare. You know we are Juma our Regional Hospital, Rich Hospital. Nyamishram Papa. All right, me ube see her. The first service in here, you know. Me did Ofori-Atta.
Pacho, me bad boy, when I don't marry, so also didn't birthday.
And then the birthday on. Kwame na.
And then Minya Kwame na ida.
What's off for Kwame na?
The birthday.
The birthday. Okay, better.
And a baby Samano.
Hey,
fire lady.
Also the birthday.
On also birthday there.
When I am happy birthday, Nyamifia Musu, a radimum who buy. In fact, free on from free Adomo and co Adomo Bernard Sasu. Marisasu. Avishra already if you are mammy ho. What the maw. And Tiosa Bobadia. Na de what they are chill piano. Twasso. I shra. Ere, somebody I see.
So many.
Yes, I was.
Mameta Comshenia Kunya.
What me I can say, Muni. Yes, I was. No, ye papa. Papa,
baby, I will be on your chow. The cost of bompire, so mouse said. I mean, can't on phone to me to come quite chichi. So for mammy or Casa, ye own.
Mama Chrissa. Or say, Mesa, or ye Dean of Student at Garden City University.
Sir, me would to me bia. Can't have you on any ye. Can after 12 o'clock news. Can some more?
Sir, go to me.
Some would to me with your ha. I'm to me, Cassa, Mumfa win Tunchain. No mamma wimbra air. And I'm what to me, our radio stations across the country. Can after 12 midday news, be beer in this country.
Call me abo.
Mammy abo, mammy, we are some more kainina.
I did, sir. When someone
one said, one would do yes, we're chinny no. One could swear a dear, yes, to chill one dear.
Chill one dear. Bible said, frail woman ban and chain. I would chill. And son was small.
One will call yes to change na. Yesu said that chill one.
A dear. Now, your fame will be a Simono say no. A dear, ya de chileno a trio. Yes, it may chill a dear a video. It is a media idea chile software to a. As a software to Otimihu at the Kodia make chileno. But the Hano, ya the chalk white, the blackboard to the chradie. Tiakoda the beginning no ye empty. Chileno in this one. Ya the chalk for knee, chalk white. Any blackboard to the chile computer. It's a quadani beginning or ye empty. The only my chalk white, the blackboard to ye mess and it's about a natural. If you say, yes, ye cochano adie, but ye coca dear natureno, yan chana ye cardia be natureno. But no, schools be also so woman de funny and funny. Not until I say, yes, schools ni be. Pabran Quadani na ye gana force be. Yes, it's a woman, you know. Now, what dream are your baby? It's a Ushia Obia, when we secondary school. Yeah, science, yeah. Who beside what is titration or chemistry? Or bet me a from chapter 1 to chapter 1600. But Fanyaman go. We go as well, head is high. Because your coca dear nature, no, yan children, dear. But ye di Christo, you know, or said that, say, dear. It is a wushe Christo ni su ne ban na brabo na de yo ne nsem kan ne nsem kyerene a
The bio bebuye na no bia no odi bibi yesusu dua. Ti yesu o kasa in parables. O said that bie wadwin nani. Owia no wakọ wadwenim. Na wa deposit ade no wo ho.
Enti wonam a.
Enti wonam a.
Eno twamfoni kyerɛw.
Ade twamfoni kyerɛw.
So obarima bi tena ase.
Bɛma bi tena ase. Na fa paafo. Obi ba no pa. Bi ba wia. Obi ba nwumre. Na wonyina akohia ye no wo pon adwuma no otua wonyina kapɛ. Bo se smafo no bia wo so
Say nani ebeye den.
It is no. We are candy for now. We are leader. If you cannot deposit anything into this coconut of mine, you are not a leader. You are just a digger. You are not a leader. It's a good time. You say you di Christo achi. Yetimi ma ya dwini mu bie.
Yenkenka de nkyerɛ mu.
Exactly.
Yenkyerɛ o made.
Hwɛ yɛbɛn mu ha. Akwada akɔ school from class 1 to class 6 ɛne yɛmfie nsia. Ne yɛma no JSS 1 to 3 abɛsɔ so na yɛmfie nkron. Ne yɛma no senior high school mfie mmiɛnsa abɛsɔ so na yɛmfie dumienu. In reality, ade a wasua pa nyinaa wokani na boba yɛmfie nsia. 6 years na kena yɛ waste.
But well,
we are so much interested in schooling than education. And it is affecting Christianity in the world, especially young part of this continent. Christians today are so much interested in talk in the church without prayer in the church. So anytime you see a pastor who is very eloquent, talking, jumping, waving his hanky, then the instrumentalist also making noise. Then they say, yes, this is a man of God. No, that's wrong.
Also, we are
so much interested in schooling than education. It's here, Mamma Chwade.
O Casa not Jimby BBS Abamitum say, O share to Honor. Na sabi even though na school ma bebre and so system I mean informal way of educating no fie die no e kom trimpa and so no share that fa no kwatena school dem
realize say I dey a friend hobbies and go for show myself hobbies no e automatic I should I say throw bibi share ho now hobbies no boa ma wa yes sir one useless in society but a son say you're interested in schooling than education. Obi to be university, not a biochemist, not a co-bank.
Yes, a move.
Biochemist too.
Now I can see.
Now or your banker. Not the biochemist, you know, at all.
Now you be from.
Now or your banking. And yes, I knew or your banking.
Yeah.
But the time wasted schooling was to become a biochemist. But obewie no esan say yan kire no ade na ye ka ade na kire no nti owie a wo de ne be see field no so a ohunu so ajo move to banking because society na nkasa per schooling yam per education
when school be ye wo ya MVTI me say wo kono ye sad wo ko under job na wo say akon wo wie no na unnim ni nyina
a typical example
ye no so say ye mompe
after the 1992 elections Rev Ofori-Atta for your brown carpenter for carpentry. And yama, one person for your carpentry and mason for more about Pamade. Say equipment no money by any na they call various schools across the country. Say young fair non concochra dear no. And your man penny that Rollins or the buy and then a year and a man across suffering class no. But I near money now way.
You won't be a na. You have to actually. It's a you baby. So what they chose on Facebook. All right,
oh my God. Oh my God. I was wishing you kwame na. Sofo. Me ne kwame na ida no ho. Bra ya bre wasasi Yesu no.
But me can we na dia no asoso. I mean can we never no soso. Ma me ba ko. Mrs. Grace Ansa. Asare. Or senior our Greater Accra Regional Hospital, Rich. ɛne yɛ na woda if you no ane ba hɔ Sami ansa sare ɔso de mane maame
Sami
ɛnyɛ Sami memi Sami
okay
Sami foforo wo bɔ ntwinim wo ba nyasem ketwa
that's right kyerɛ sɛ yɛakyerɛ no adeɛ yanka adeɛ ankyerɛ no
kwamina fa ni birthday no
tena hɔ ne yɛmfa wie sis ne nkɔ ɛnda yɛ me nua kwamina ayɛ dan birthday
what the fire lady
na
maybe Zamana
the American say nyame a oso me ne kwamina ayɛ dan nsɛm awo wini ba waterworks be pono so mra ye de bicycle kɔhwe from if you see a copper pan wadi I say come meku ye no
mumie na nam te so
yemienu na ne yete so kwamina na ne etwie saa nyame na osan so yemienu nsɛm de ye kopie kumase ne saa nyame na osan so yemienu nsɛm sa de ye bank na ya wanku ye no ɔhwɛ kwamina so
alright abusia Rev Ofori-Atta Captain Smart na ati nyame